Hello class, in this video I will be discussing module 4, which is entitled capitalized cost. Okay, so what is capitalized cost? Actually, capitalized cost is an example of perpetuity. Okay, when we say perpetuity, di ba, ito yung uniform payments that uh, is made forever. So, walang katapusan, okay? So, capitalized cost, it is the sum of the first cost and the present worth of all costs of replacement, operation, and maintenance for a long time forever, okay? The present worth of cost associated with an asset for an infinite period of time. So, forever, infinite, so walang katapusan. So, ito ay application ng perpetuity. So, capitalized cost, meron siyang formula, general formula, the first cost plus the first cost minus salvage value over 1 plus I raised to n minus 1. So, ito guys, ginagamit ito usually kapag halimbawa uh, yung gastos is, for example, every 5 years. Gagastos ka ng ganon. Okay? Or hindi siya dapat yearly. Okay? Meron lang certain period. Ngayon, itong first cost minus salvage value, for example, replacement. Pag nagre-replace ka na nung gamit, okay, yung salvage value kasi ito yung value na mabebenta mo yung old one. Okay, so ibabalik siya and then every 5 years, mangyayari yon. So kung halimbawa yung gamit is nare-replace every 5 years kasi ang economic life niya is 5 years lang. So every 5 years, bibili ka ng bago, ibebenta mo yung luma. Okay? Ito namang operating cost over I, ito yung mga gastos na yearly nangyayari. 'Di ba? Ito yung parang A over I. So, kapag yearly nangyayari, ito ang gagamitin natin. Kapag every period or certain period, ito yung gagamitin natin. First cost, syempre yun yung unang ginastos. Okay? Installation, building, ganyan. So, meron tayong tatlong cases for capitalized cost. Yung una, no replacement, only maintenance and or operation every period. So, hindi napapalitan. Walang replacement, maintenance lang at saka operating cost. So, capitalized cost is equivalent to first cost plus present worth of perpetual, okay, operation and or maintenance. So, example is determine the capitalized cost of a structure that requires an initial investment of 1,500,000 and an annual maintenance of 150,000. Interest is 15%. So sabi niya, initial investment niya is 1.5 M and then annual maintenance of 150,000. So ang capitalized cost natin dito ay equivalent ng 1 million, which is the first cost, 1,500,000 plus yung annual maintenance. Diba? Ang annual maintenance, pag annual payment, diba? OC over I. So, 150,000 over I na 15%. Okay. So, kuha tayo ng calculator. So, 1,500,000 plus 150 over 0.15. So, meron tayong sagot na 2.5. Okay, 2.5 million or 2,500,000. Okay. So, this is our final answer. Now, meron naman tayong tinatawag na case 2. Sa case 2 naman, replacement only, no maintenance and or operation. So, wala na siyang operation cost or maintenance. Ang meron lang is replacement. So, every period merong i-replace mo siya. A new engine was installed by a textile plant at a cost of 300,000 and projected to have a useful life of 15 years. So useful life ng 15 years. So, after 15 years, i-replace mo na yung engine. So, ganun siya. Wala lang maintenance. At the end of its useful life, it is estimated to have a salvage value of 30,000. Ano ibig sabihin nun? Mabibenta mo yung old engine ng 30,000. Okay? So, kung 300,000 yung bili mo at nabenta mo siya ng 30,000, ang kulang mo na lang is magkano? 270,000, di ba? Determine its capitalized cost if interest is 18% compounded annually. So, anong formula nito? Capitalized cost, CC na lang, okay? Equals first cost plus yung FC minus SV over 1 plus I raised to N minus 1. Kasi every 15 years, kailangan mong maglabas ng FC minus SV. 300,000 minus 30,000, kailangan mong maglabas na pera na 270,000 pambili ng panibago. Okay? So, ang mangyari dyan is CC is equals to 300,000 plus 300,000 minus 30,000 over 1 plus 0.18 raised to 15 minus 1. Every 15 years, kailangan mong maglabas ng 270,000. Mabat 270,000 na lang. Siyempre, yung 30,000 na kinita mo, pandadagdag mo na lang para maging 300,000. So, 300 plus 300 minus 30,000. 1 plus 0.18 raised to 15 minus 1. Ayan. So, 324,604. Ayan. So, 324,604.17. Okay. So, that is the final answer for case 2. Now, let's proceed to case 3. Sa case 3 naman, present na yung tatlo. Merong first cost, may replacement, at saka maintenance or operation every period. So, sabi niya dito, determine the capitalized cost of research laboratory which requires 5 million for original construction, 100,000 at the end of every year for the first 6 years. Okay. 100,000 at the end of every year for the first 6 years, and then 120,000 each year thereafter for operating expenses, and 500,000 every 5 years for replacement of equipment with interest at 12%. So, masyadong madami. Let's proceed muna or let's do the cash flow. Sabi niya, gagastos ka ng, ilan to? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. O, i-ano natin yung 5 years muna. 'Di ba? Sa una, gagastos ka ng 5 million. Okay. And then, sabi niya, 100,000 at the end of every year for the first 6 years. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Gagastos daw siya ng 100K. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ayan. And then, 120,000 each year thereafter. So, after the 6th years, 120 na. Tapos, wala nang katapusan yan. Kasi, thereafter, so, perpetuity na siya. So, 120K. And then, 500,000 every 5 years for replacement of equipment. So, every 5 years, magpapalit siya ng equipment. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Magpapalit siya ng every 5 years. Yan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ito yung 5 years. 500K. Yan. Tapos, next is 500K ulit. Sa ika-10th year, 500K ulit. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, 120K to. Tapos, 500K. Now, paano natin gagawing equation? 5M, ito annuity for 6 years, 'di ba? Tapos ito. Tapos itong 120k is perpetuity. Pag kukunin natin yung present ng 120k, nandito yan sa ika-6. Yung present ng A over I. So, kailangan pa nating dalhin sa present worth, do sa 0. Okay? So, gagawa tayo ng equation. Capitalized cost, syempre, yung 5 million. Okay? Tapos, yung perpetuity ng 6 years plus 100,000 present worth 1 minus 1 plus 0.12 raised to negative 6 over 0.12. Okay. Yung perpetuity, 120,000. Okay. Over 0.12. Pero itong A over I na yan, nandito siya sa ika-6, di ba? Yung present worth nito is nandito. So, kailangan natin i-atras ng 6 na taon. 1 plus 0.12 raised to negative 6. Okay? And then, yung 500,000, nagagastusin niya every 5 years. 1 plus 0.12 raised to negative 5 minus 1. Okay? Ito, kung maalala nyo, ito yung equation na may salvage value. Ang kaibahan lang, sinabi na niya na 500,000 ang gagastusin niya every 5 years. So, pag kinompute natin yan, dahil masyadong mahaba yung equation, i-chop-chop na lang natin. Yung 5 million plus, so 5 million plus ito, 100,000. Yan. 4,11140.7324. Okay. And then yung perpetuity, five zero six six 1.1212. Okay. Plus yung replacement 500,000 every 5 years. Yan. So, ang capitalized cost natin ay equivalent sa 5 million plus 41140.7324 plus 506631.1212 plus 655,873.8831. So, yan ay 6,573,645.737. Okay, so this is the final answer. Okay, so ganun lang. So, let's proceed to the sample problem. Ayan, number 4. At 6%, find the capitalized cost of a bridge whose cost is 250M and life is 20 years if the bridge must be partially rebuilt at the cost of 100M at the end of each 20 years. Okay. So, anong meron dito? First cost at saka replacement. Okay. So, capitalized cost is equals to 250 million plus gagastos daw siya ng 100 million every 20 years. So, 'di ba? Kapag every period is ganito siya, yung formula natin, raised to 20 minus 1. So, ang capitalized cost natin is 250, 123, 123 plus 100 million, 123, 123, 1 plus 0.06 raised to 20 minus 1. So, ang sagot ay 295,307,595. Okay. So, this is the final answer for 4. And lastly, ang last example natin is a suspension bridge was constructed for 24M. The annual maintenance cost is 500,000. So, meron tayong annuity. I mean perpetuity. If the rate of interest is 6%, compute the capitalized cost of the bridge. Okay. So, meron tayong capitalized cost na first cost na 24 million plus annual maintenance na 500,000. Annual yan eh. Walang katapusan. Okay. So, meron tayong 24 million 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 plus 500,000 1, 2, 3 over 0.06. Okay. So, meron tayong capitalized cost na 32,333,333.33 pesos. Okay. So, this is the final answer. So, that's it. That is Module 4, Capitalized Cost. Thank you for listening.